Hey everyone, I'm Kais and welcome back to another C++ tutorial. Up until now we've been manually entering values into the source code, so the program hasn't been interactive at all. Today I'll show you how to get some input from the user when they run the program. First I want to introduce you to another type of variable. Just like we have int, bool, double, and char, there's a more complicated type called string. This type represents a string of characters. That just means a bunch of characters one after another, like a word or a sentence, for example. We're going to make a program that asks you what your name is and greets you. To do this, we need to learn how to get input from the user. Just like we output text to the screen with cout, we can read from the keyboard with cin. Starting from our skeleton program, let's go ahead and include string so that we can use strings in this program. Now, let's declare a string called username. Usually when we declare variables, we give them a value with an equal sign. We could do the same thing here, like assign their name to unknown. With the primitive types like int, you always want to give them a value when you declare them. Otherwise, it'll get a random value and that probably won't be useful to you. With a complex type like string, it's okay not to give it a value because it'll just be empty by default. Okay, so we have our string username that's ready to store the user's name. Now, we're going to use a function called getLine to get an entire line of input from the user and store it in the string. GetLine is a function that comes with C++. I'll get into more detail about what functions are and how to write your own in a different tutorial. For now, just follow along. First, let's print out a line asking the user to tell the program their name. So, cout, what's your name? ? So to use this getLine function, we just type getLine, cin, comma, username, and a semicolon. When the program gets to this line, it will run the getLine function, which will take an entire line of input from cin, also known as standard input, and it will store that in the username string. So now that we have the user's name, we can print it out back to them. So let's write cout hello, comma, space, username, nice to meet you. Go ahead and try running the program. You'll see it ask for your name. Now you can type your name in the program and then hit enter. You'll see the program greet you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.